yeah, people, Chrissy, Salem, talking about your boring life. Yeah. Oh, that sounded a little rough. You know what? But sometimes it's in the rough and the real when we wake up. So we've never met before in Chrissy, Salem. Oh, and it's time to wake up. Wake up to the life that you've thought about, that you've wondered about. And you know we're going to have a rockin' time, and we're going to do it starting now. Oh, is this your first time just jumping on? Did I pop into your live feed? Oh, well, it's a pleasure to meet you. You know it. Fist bump. Don't worry about my snake. Is this our first time meeting? You're like, what am I watching? I like it. You know, a little bit of eye candy, a little bit of color. There's no potted house plants here. Oh, leave a like if you like potted house plants. Oh, we've never met before. I'm Chrissy, Salem Inspirational Entertainment Channel. That's right, rocking it. The hottest channel on YouTube. Because I made a promise. I promised what I said. Anytime we get together, I'm going to talk about you because I want you to win. Because winning eludes so many of us. Because we get bogged down with, well, our boring life. Oh, so, let's have some fun first. That's going to get kind of serious. Listen, you got something to write with? Grab that. Because you're going to want to take some notes. Let's do something fun together to get you moving. Yeah, Saturday night. And you're feeling all right. That's right, because you're with Chrissy, Salem. It's just you and I. Are we alone? Oh, you know what? Just having a great time, right? We a couple dudes, man. Nothing weird going on here. Cool talk with you, yeah. Maybe you're feeling romantic. Is this somebody feeling romantic? Oh, well, let's check off that box, too. But talking about your boring life, yeah. Ouch. Oh, did he say my life is boring? Well, yeah, he's right. What's he gonna say about it next? You can change it, yeah. Here's the problem, man. We say, oh yeah, to a lot of things. So let's have some fun. We're gonna say, oh yeah, to some fun things, all right? So let's say, oh yeah, leave a like. Oh yeah, to your anticipated great time with me. Oh yeah. Let's say, oh yeah. This is about you. Oh yeah. Oh, let's say, yeah, how about a big old fat bank account? Yeah, big and fat, lots of money, no money problems. Oh yeah. You know, that number's different for all of us. Oh, let's say, oh yeah, to a rockin' waistline. Oh yeah, right, looking good, feeling good. Walking tall, feeling confident. Oh yeah. One more thing. How about love life? Oh, I love life the way you want it. Oh, let's say, oh yeah. Because it's different for each of us. So let me get on. Hey, I got to get on all fours. We got to get in the weeds a little bit. You want me on all fours? Oh, you're being weird now. What I mean is we need to get a little bit deeper. So we're going to say, oh yeah, there's some other stuff that, make the mental note. If you participated in this activity, be real with yourself. So, did you watch your favorite TV show today? Oh yeah. Did you go to a Ross or one of them stores, TJ Maxx? Oh yeah, it's a big Saturday thing to do. Getting ready for the Chinese buffet tomorrow? Oh yeah. Gonna take in a new movie. Oh yeah. But you're saying oh yeah to these things. Wow, it's boring. I'll go on. It's okay, we're gonna fix it. All hope is not lost with you. I see you. Your favorite sports team. Your favorite sports team had an event today, very important to the franchise. And you watched all the pre-stuff and the post-stuff. Oh, yeah! Oh, and they lost anyway. Oh, yeah. But the wings were good. Sauce could have been better. Oh, yeah. Candy Crush. You got in some video game time today. Oh, yeah. Call of Duty, Minecraft. Oh, yeah. So there it is. We say, oh, yeah, to a lot of things that don't help with our money, that don't help with our waistline, and don't help with our love life. Crazy, isn't it? How many of them things did you say, oh, yeah, to today? One of them, two of them? Most of them? So it's not to pick on you, mate, because you're just not aware. You're not conscious of it. And on top of that, man, you get on social media and you're all distracted even more. Oh, leave a like if you got the attention span of a goldfish. Oh, I'm going to hit my like button. We've never met, but friend Chrissy, stay living. Do you like goldfish? Yeah, I'd like to put me in a bowl. Having a great time talking about your boring life. See, so you say, oh yeah, to a lot of things that are basically boring. That's not rocking your life. Because on top of all these things you say, oh yeah, to, you know, here and here, your money could be better. The way you look could be better. And the way you feel could be better. Man, your love life, dang, could be, oh, it could be so much better. So let's start saying, oh yeah, to the right things. Nothing else matters. Now, did I say give up on all those things? Not at all, man, but you want time for the things that matter, you gotta take some time from those other activities. Gotta shave it a little bit. Because you will never find the time. I've had many say, Chrissy, when I find the time, when I have the time, it never comes. Time doesn't work like that. You've got to make the time. So prove it. Prove it right now your money's important to you. Prove it that your waistline is important. Prove it that, man, you as a person is important. Leave a like. There it is. What else matters? Beyond that, what else matters? Well, wait a minute, Chrissy. What about God and faith and family and country? Well, sure, those things matter, but I'm not talking about those things. I'm talking about the person that you become. Yeah. You become a benefit to those that love you and to those that you love because you're working on yourself. Man, you don't stress about money. You don't stress about how you look and feel. And you don't stress about your love life. Everything comes together. Leave a like if you would like to live like that. You know it. So what's been stressing you out about your money? Got to answer that question. You need to identify the problem here. Inside of you is a monster. Inside of you is a monster. The stress monster. Money problems. I don't have enough. I need a new job. I don't have a job. And it just comes after you and it eats at you. How many of you suffer with depression, anxiety? You lash out at people. You're short. Your temper's short. Because you got this financial stress going on. And you didn't sign up to live like that. Let's do something about it. So what's stressing you out? Write it down. I said get something to write with. Now look at what you wrote down. Keep it short. Like, I don't have enough money. That's what's stressing me out. And I'm looking at it, and it's this big on a piece of paper. Suddenly this monster is only this big. Oh, you don't look like no monster no more. I can fix that. You can fix that. Now what about your waistline? Yeah, was he going to talk about my weight loss again? Yeah, because the way you look is tied to the way you feel, and the way you feel is tied to your self-confidence. You can't separate them. You can't run from it. So how do you look today? Are you happy with the way you look? Or are you like most? Or you're overweight and you don't want to be? Like, yeah, I try this, I try that. Man, I'm not motivated, not inspired. Who goes through that? All of us have. I was there one time. And you're not happy, so how much you got to lose? I'll be nice, 10 pounds. 20, 50, 100, keep going. Maybe you need to recommit to a fitness program, and you know it. Or change something in your diet. Things you're aware of, but man, you're just not moving on. You're not motivated, not inspired, but for. Ain't nothing gonna change, Chrissy. Oh, things change. Man, when you start to change, oh, things change. Leave a like if you like it when things change. Not too many likes coming on that one. No, but none of us like change. But man, when it's for the better, a little bit of ouch, a little bit of hurt. Oh, somebody rubbed my nose in something. But man, I come out stronger on top, I win. So can you. Oh, leave a like if that sounds like a great plan. If we've never met before, I'm Chrissy Salem. Metal Mascara YouTube channel, the hottest channel on YouTube. You know it. A live show like no other. And you know you're having a great time. So commercial break. Oh, this is brought to you by the Chrissy Salem Tea Public Store. Everybody goes shopping, and I got tired of having a bazillion Walmart bags. So I got on my Tea Public, and I've got totes. 3 different sizes for when you go shopping. I use mine. All right, we're going to do some commercial breaks once in a while. Those are totes, yeah. Cool designs too, brand new designs. Check them out on Tea Public. Special code, oh yeah. So much weight you gotta lose, write it down. Because this also has been a monster. Jacks with the way you feel, your energy, your sex life, all those things. Your stamina, your masculinity, your femininity, being overweight jacks with all of that. We want it to stop jacking with us. Oh, leave a like if you want to jack with me. Oh, you're horrible. Some of you are horrible. But you know, you're having a great time at the coolest live in the metaverse here on YouTube. A live show like no other. Because this live show is about you. Because you can win. Oh, leave a like if you're an everyday person. You go to work, you come home, got the weekend off. Are you an everyday person? Leave a like. Yeah. You only have so much time available for this winning stuff. For this self-confidence stuff. I'm showing you where to get it. You got to say, oh yeah, to the right things. So, I got 2 things written down. Am I right? What's stressing you out about your money? And how much weight you got to lose. There's a 3rd thing. And many don't like this. This one really, really hurts. A lot of you are gonna get butt hurt. But you know when the Band-Aid comes off and we take a look at what's under there, man, you're like, you know, Chrissy, I think I can fix this. You know you can fix it. Why don't you have the love that you want? Man, why are you alone tonight? What's up? Oh, for the 1% that truly choose to be, the 99% man are alone, not by choice. Be real with yourself. You would like to have somebody next to you tonight, a partner, a friend, a lover, or maybe just somebody for the one night. Whatever it is you want, they're not there. And some of the choices you've had in the past, you don't even want to think about it. It makes you feel creepy. Because you settle. In all of this, you've settled. Yeah, in your boring life, you've settled. But she said she loves me. But he said that he loves me. And they're gone, and you're alone. Well, you know, there's 8 billion people on the planet, so there's not a shortage of people. There's another problem. The problem is with us. Yeah, with you, with me. Now, I know you're basically a good person. I'll give you that. I don't know you personally, but we can say that. Well, I'll put the good foot forward. Let's take all your good stuff, your good person stuff. Here it is. Let's just set it aside. What's left? What is left? This is where it hurts. Listen, this is what's left. This is for real. Character deficiencies, lack of character, immature character, underdeveloped character. There's so many different traits. Annoying habits. There it is. That's what's left. That gives off an energy. That gives off something that you attract or repel with. Man, what you been attracting? Every time we open our mouth, we attract something. Good or bad. We all believe in karma. You don't got to be religious to believe in karma. It's karma working, man. What are you giving off? Because you're not getting what you want, so what are you giving off? Got nothing to do with how much money you make, your education. Those are all just hooks. Who you are as a person. Because you have an idea up here of who you want as a partner, right? They got to be this tall or this wide, or they got to do this, they got to have that. They got to look a certain way, maybe make a certain amount of money. But man, they never appear. Poor choices appear. And you hate yourself for it. Because you got to identify, what is it about you that stinks? You got all these things, man. Is it character? Is it annoying habit? What? Pick one thing. Because this is jacking with your love life, with you as a person, with your self-confidence. And write that down. We're going to fix it. All right, so we got 3 things written down. Take a breath. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Oh, leave a like if you like to hold it with me. And let it out. You just got rid of some stress. These things have been stressing you out. Oh, so let's turn it up. So we've got to determine a small action step in each one of those. Each one of those needs to have an action step taken every day. And the step has to meet 2 criteria. It's got to be small and it's got to be every day. That's it. And that's how you start to win. That's how you start to get traction. Because each of you has a different plate of life. Some of you, it's full, man. You got a lot of obligations. You got a lot going on. Then there's those of you that, well, there's 1 pea and 1 cracker on your plate. So depending where you're at in life, man, let that determine the size of the step you got to take. So for your money, what is it? Get a job, work more overtime. What is it? Determine that step that you could take every day. But nobody is born knowing about money, man. You got to learn. Maybe you need to learn. Take that step. You know it, leave a like if you're getting some practical information. And then your weight loss, man. Whatever you try. Weight loss is a lifestyle. Why do you struggle with it? Time to get motivated for yourself. Time to get excited for yourself. Yeah, I'll leave a like if you want to get excited with me. Talking about your boring life and how it's becoming very unboring now. Yeah, because you're thinking about your money. That could be better. All right, I can work a little bit of overtime. Thinking about your weight. You're like, yeah, I'm going to get back in the gym or whatever it is you got to do. And then you're like, yeah, Chrissy, you know, the dude wears makeup, but he's right. There's something that stinks about me I got to work on. Yeah. Small action step every day. You know what happens? Your energy changes. You start to attract different things. Yeah. New doors open. Leave a like if you need some new open doors in your life. I know I did. You gotta take some small, consistent action. We all want to blast through a mountain. We love it in the movies. But in real life, everyday working people, you only got so much time. So you use the time you have. Small action steps and then mindset. This is what happens. You're excited right now, getting ready to take some steps. And this is what happens every time without fail. You really don't want to do that. Oh, you're tired. Your back hurts. Are you really going to listen to Chrissy wears makeup, you know? Blah, blah, blah. And we don't take the steps. This happens to all of us. I'm telling you, man, know that this will happen, and you can fight it and beat it, and not worry about it. So it comes down to mindset. So let's do something together